Welcome to this tutorial on using AI tools with Python. Today, we're going to dive into the world of natural language processing and explore one of the most powerful libraries out there, Transformers. This library is a game changer for anyone looking to build state-of-the-art machine learning models that can handle text, images, audio, or even multimodal data. And the best part, you can use it not just for training new models, but also for making predictions and inferences on existing ones. Before we dive into building our AI model using Transformers, it's essential to make sure you have the necessary tools and software installed on your machine. To get started, you'll need Python version 3.10 or higher. This is because some of the libraries we'll be working with rely on specific features introduced in this version. Additionally, you should also have PyTorch version 2.4 or higher installed. If you're not sure which versions you're running, now's a great time to check and update if necessary. Now that we have our Python environment set up, it's time to install the Transformers library. To do this, we'll need to create and activate a virtual environment. You can use either Venv or UV, both of which are popular options for managing your project dependencies. Once you've created and activated your virtual environment, you can install the Transformers library using pip. Simply run the command pip install Transformers in your terminal, and the installation process will begin. So, if you're looking for the absolute latest and greatest features of the Transformers library, or maybe you're interested in contributing to the project itself, then installing from source is a great option. This will give you access to all the newest changes and updates as they happen. To do this, you'll need to clone the repository directly from GitHub. So, let's dive into how Transformers works. Essentially, it serves as a framework for defining state-of-the-art machine learning models for various tasks like text, computer vision, audio, video, and even multimodal models. This means you can use Transformers not only for making predictions or generating new content, but also for training your own custom models from scratch. What's really cool is that it centralizes the model definition, which means everyone in the ecosystem agrees on what a certain model should look like. And that's it. We've covered a lot of ground today, exploring the world of Transformers and how they can be used in AI development. As we wrap up, let me summarize what we've learned. We saw how Transformers are a type of neural network architecture specifically designed for sequential data like text or speech. They're incredibly powerful tools that have revolutionized the field of natural language processing. By using self-attention mechanisms and multi-head attention, Transformers can capture long-range dependencies in data and generate coherent, context-specific responses. Whether it's machine translation, question answering, or text generation, Transformers are a game changer. And with libraries like Hugging Face's Transformers making them easily accessible to developers, the possibilities are endless. Source, https://github